One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. This is something that Uber really needs to address. So does Lyft when it comes to
this is going to Uber right after this
and real Lyft. Problems.
Yeah.
And you know, we've all seen people who rate low. We've all seen people who rate for no reason, whatever it might be. So Uber and Lyft both have said, you know, if there has been low ratings and they constantly have low ratings, or the low rating is outside your control, we're not going to count it towards your overall driver rating. And it'll help keep a lot of people sane. But the problem is there is a massive outrage when it comes to Elon Musk and Doge and Tesla owners that are facing the brunt of it, including Tesla drivers. So a problem that's happening is now people are posting that they are giving their Uber drivers 1 star because they drive a Tesla. So right here, this is something where Uber should be addressing everybody who is driving a Tesla right now and say, look, if you're getting 1-star ratings, 2-star ratings, 3-star, we're not going to count them because of what the backlash that's going on and all the bullshit that's going on.
Yeah, I 100% agree with you. I couldn't agree with you more. In fact, I'm going to send a couple of screenshots to Uber and Lyft. They know who drives Teslas. There are a lot of rentals out there, right? We know. And then in the chat, I already know how many people are driving Teslas. So have you guys faced something like this in LA? Because I'm in LA and most of you are in LA. But if you are, you know, or Matt is in Boston, but they all drive Teslas, or Vinny is in Florida, let me know. Let me know if you guys are facing this, because what's going to happen is some dickhead is going to give you a 1 star because he's so lefty that he's just can't stand Elon at the moment. But then he loved Elon before the elections, and he hugged his owl and hugged his tree. And he probably even bought a Tesla because Elon was the savior of the planet against climate, warming or whatever, change. Now they're giving everybody 1 stars. And the one on the left is scary. This is from a Facebook group. And the guy, look at this guy, Cherdlees or whatever the heck his name is. This is what Tesla drivers deserve. 1 star. I'm like, no, man, you don't even know, you dickhead, that you're playing with the guy's livelihood. Because Uber will, I'm telling you, they don't give a shit. The algo is written. And then if they do send the 1 star with a complaint, Chris, you know what's happening. You know what time it is, suspension or deactivation time. Hey, man, don't do this to the drivers. And Elon said, you know, why are you guys playing with people's livelihoods? I get it. I understand it. But definitely Uber knows who is driving Teslas on their platform. And they should get, because Uber says, right, if you're unjustified 1 star, we were going to remove it anyway. So, hey, in this case, please, Uber, Lyft, you will get this. My Uber driver this morning was driving a Tesla. He thanked me for booking with him. This is from our community page. And said most of his rides lately have been canceling after they see what kind of car he's driving. You're not hurting Elon. You're hurting these guys for sure. Thank you, Skylar Romines. Yeah, I mean, if you're a rider and you're doing this because you hate Elon at the moment, you're a dickhead. Don't do that. And I'm definitely going to send this to Uber and Lyft. I think they should get ahead of this, because this is getting worse and worse. They should get ahead of it, and I don't want anybody to get deactivated for no reason whatsoever.
Yeah, exactly. So big problems there. But yeah, if you drive a Tesla, let us know. Are you seeing lower ratings? Are you seeing people cancel? Are you seeing problems, or, you know, people lashing out or doing stupid stuff? Come and let us know, or send us emails. I'd like to follow up with that, definitely.
Yeah, Sergio at rideshareguy.com. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.